let's talk about creativity and innovation. Pag sinabing creativity, ito yung mga ideas that you're able to create, you're able to draw it on paper, or even write a concept about it. Yung innovation naman is when you apply it. At pag sinabing innovation, it is already something of value. It can benefit people, and it is the product of your creativity. So yun yung pinagkaiba ng creativity and innovation. So hindi lahat ng creative work ay innovation na kaagad. Not until it has significant value. Not only value to you, pero value din for other people. So what do you want to innovate? Sabi nga nila, innovate or evaporate. Kasi marami talagang bagay na madaling maluma. It may be systems, it may be approaches, it may be products. At kung titingnan din natin yung buhay natin, ano bang kailangan natin i-innovate? Ano bang kailangan natin i-improve? Diba, when we see something innovative, nakakatuwa, diba? Yung mga Grab, mga Food Panda, daming innovations, diba? So if you feel like you're stuck in your life right now, baka kailangan lang ng creativity and innovation. Ano bang mga bagay na meron ka na at pwedeng i-improve lang? Or kaya ano bang pwede mong gawing bago na hindi pa naisip ng iba? That can radically improve your life. You know, yung mind is a gift from God and the imagination has no limit. Kaya pagdasal mo, sana makaisip ka ng isang bagay na maaring baguhin ang buhay mo o kaya makatulong sa ibang tao. So go back to the drawing board, start creating, and be an innovator.